Visible offers visual voicemail, letting you view, manage, and delete voicemails directly from the Visible app on both iPhone and Android. To set it up, first ensure you have the latest version of the Visible app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log in with your account. For iPhone, navigate to the Voicemail tab and tap Set up Visual Voicemail. Then follow the on-screen prompts to record a greeting and enable transcription. Android users will find the visual voicemail setting in the app's settings menu. Enable it and grant the necessary permissions, like microphone and storage access. Remember, visual voicemail is tied to the Visible app. If you uninstall it, you'll revert to basic audio-only voicemail. Also, disable the native phone app's visual voicemail to prevent conflicts. Now you should be able to see your voicemail list on the visual voicemail menu. If you encounter issues setting up visual voicemail, start by restarting your device and checking your network connection. Ensure the Visible app has all required permissions. A common problem is app conflicts, especially on Android, so disable any native voicemail apps. If problems persist, contact Visible support via chat for quick assistance. Keep in mind that visual voicemail relies on a data connection, either cellular or Wi-Fi. Also, the transcription quality depends on the audio quality of the message. Be aware that international roaming might disable visual features, reverting to basic voicemail. Finally, note that switching SIM cards requires resetting up visual voicemail.